Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learning Lagoon. Here you can learn while you play. Initially, we are going to practice words problems on additions and subtractions. It's a basic level, so you can guess the answer. So get ready with paper and pen, let's go. The fundamentals of mathematics begin with arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Mathematics is the study of gaining knowledge and understanding theories and concepts to solve academic and real-life problems. Question 1. John had 8 marbles and his friend gave him 3 more. How many marbles does John have now? Here highlighted word is a keyword which is more, so need to do addition, so find the answer. Here answer is 11. Read the question 2 carefully. The highlighted words will give you a clue to do add or subtract. More means always addition, so do the addition. Check your answer in the next slide. Correct answer is 22. In question 3, the keyword is left. It indicates to do subtraction, so move on and find the value. Superb, you are doing well. Answer is 7. So now please concentrate on keywords. In total means need to do add. Come on, find it. Is your answer correct? Check it out now. It is 19. Question 5 is ready for you. Read it carefully. You can pause and read. Keyword will help you. Grab the answer. Answer is 15. Did you grab the answer correctly? Please give your comments. Let's go fast. You can pause and read it. Keyword illustrates subtraction. Find it. Check you answer here. Question 7 is here. Keywords will help you. It indicates subtraction. Come on, find out. Check you answer here. 8th question is here. Interesting questions right. Here need to do add. Get the answer. Fantastic. Hope you are doing well. Here is the answer. Last second question. Keywords asking you to do subtract. Come on, grab the answer fast. Check you answer here. So finally we reach to last question. How was the journey? Keywords will help you. Find out the answer quickly. Check you answer here. Thank you, dear, for playing this game. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.